Okay, now we will start about. Okay, now we will start about 3D modeling. Okay, for that, from where we will get the toolbars. Okay, you right click, go to the AutoCAD toolbar. From that, you will select the modeling. Okay, now you get the modeling toolbar. Okay, from that, first command is POLYSOLID. Okay, whenever you go in AutoCAD, whenever you just go to the toolbar, it will tell about what is that. Okay, this is POLYSOLID. It will be used for create a 3D wall like POLYSOLID. You can create wall with straight, curved segment of constant height and width. Okay, this is the description of that command. Okay, next we will select that command. Okay, after selecting that command, you just see specify start point. Okay, specify start point or object height width justify. Okay, from that, first what we will do one by one. Okay, just I will click start point. Okay, this is my start point. Okay, from that I will go to create wall. Okay, I think you can know about F8 was ortho on off. Okay, in that ortho on means you will get only straight portions. You will get 4 directions like north, south, east, west. Okay, I think this thing you have learned in the AutoCAD 2D itself. Okay, again I am telling you to create the 3D modeling also. If you off the ortho means you will get any angles in the 360 degree. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, now for this one just we will have a practice in the ortho on, so that we will get the straight wall. Okay, ortho on. Okay, this one I will give you the 5 meter width. Okay, again I will give you the 5 meter, oh sorry, 10 meter. Okay, no issue, 10 meter length and 5 meter, you can say 4.5 meter width this side. Okay, again you can go here with 9.5 meters. Again we will count for 500. So how it look like? This is the one room with some opening. So 500 mm opening is so small. Okay, not an issue. Just click delete. We will make it once again. Okay, 5 meter. Okay, you can say 5 meter in center to center. So you will have 1 meter this side of opening, so that we will have 6 meter, 10 meter, and here 5 meter, this side 9 meter and 1 meter. So if you see, this is the one room we have created, just example. Okay, so you can go to the view poles. You will have 2 views vertically, so from that you can make it another 2 viewports, 2 horizontally. Okay, here you can have top. Okay, here you can have west side of it. This is the opening. Okay, this is your room. Okay, so just I have opened the viewport to show the how it look like. Okay, now we have done that just object portion. Okay, next I will do one thing. We will keep only one window, so that we will have the big workspace. Okay, so this, whenever you work on the project, you will have 3 window, means you can get the views and all other things. For practicing purpose, I will make only one viewport, so that you will get the very big modeling portion, so that you can understand very well. Okay, okay, okay. So now I will delete. I think you have understood how to make the walls in this command. Okay, next I will click. Okay, from that, for example, we have drawn objects. Okay, next is height. Okay, height, to change it. For example, right now we have prepared this one. From that it will come standard heights, widths and all already presetted. Here height is 3 meter, width is 300. Okay, now what I will do, now I will change the height to 5 meter, because my house is 5 meter height, one floor. Okay, okay. Next I want to change the width. Width I will give 200 width only, I am going to follow. Okay, now changed. Okay, now you can see next, while starting the command, here your height is already changed to 5 meter and width is changed to. So now you understood about height and width. Okay, now I am starting the next. Okay, if you see here, the same one we can draw it again. Okay, you can say we can draw it to same size, not an issue. 6 meter, 10 meter. I am giving in meters, mm, unit is mm. Okay, 5 meter, here 9 meter, and here 1 meter. Okay, so now this height is become 5 meter and that width is 200 only. Okay, okay, now you understood about the height, width and all other things. Okay, next is justify. Okay, okay, now we will start about justify in this one. Okay, POLYSOLID. In this one we will start about justify, how to work that justify. Okay, so if you just put the J, you have the left, center, right. Okay, normally default center. Okay, now this is the object we have prepared with this center. Okay, now we will go. Okay, just give justify left. Okay, the same dimension we will give, and we can know what is left, what is right. Okay, just start. We have given 6 meter, the same dimension I am giving. Okay, 6, and here, sorry, 10 meter, and here 5 meter. This one is 9 meter, and this side is 1 meter. This is the dimension we gave earlier. Okay, now we can have the difference for that center justify and left justify. Okay, you can go to the top. Okay, I can bring this to near to the, so that we will have the difference. This top one is we have prepared with justify center, this one is justify left. Okay, so just we make sure only one side, so that from that we can get the comparison. Okay, if you go to the dimension linear from this to this. Okay, 1200, 1200, it means that center means the object will be drawn based on center line concept. Suppose our width is 200. Okay, it means the center to center is 1000 we gave. Okay, after that the 100 mm is that side, 100 mm is the total is 10,200. Sorry, total is 10,200. Okay, this is the center justify. Okay, now this is the one, the bottom one we have prepared based on left justify. Okay, in that left justify, what is the dimension? Exactly 1000. Okay, 1000 in the sense outer to outer is 1000. So justify is very important whenever you make the project. Okay, in this one, suppose normally in default, whenever you opening the AutoCAD, this POLYSOLID, it will give this justify center. It means your object will be considered center line of the wall. Okay, whenever you change to left, it will give you the outside diameter to outside diameter will be the outside outer to outer will be the 10 meter. Okay, so now you understood about the justify left. Okay, another one is justify right. That one we can prepare, that is the inner to inner, so that outer to outer will go to 10,400, something like that. For that one also we can do it very fast. Okay, just click justify right, you give same dimension so that we can compare it. Say 10,000, here 5,000, here is 9,000 and 1,000. Okay, now we go to the top to measure it. So now if you see the dimension of this one, you are having the 10,400. It means right means inner to inner, left means outer to outer. I think you understood very well. Inner to inner is, this is the dimension. Inner to inner is 10. This is outer. So you can select how you are going to start your project. You are going to center line based, or you are going to justify left based, or you are going to justify right based. Some companies and some works will be prepared based on outer to outer. Some project will be based on inner to inner. Some project will be based on center to center. In industrial, normally they will use center to center, so that they will give the grid and all other things. Okay, now you understood very well. Okay, next very important one in this one is, there is a irregularity. How you can draw? For example, you have selected the wall. You have selected the wall. Okay, this is your this one you have prepared. You have this straight something like that, means you can do like this, like this, like this. You can do. That is not an issue. Suppose you have irregular shape. Before that, I will give you the some object. This one, for example, you can know about the rectangle. You draw a rectangle. Shape that 10,000, 5,000. Okay, this is your rectangle. For this one, you want to make the POLYSOLID, the same one. Height is 5 meter and width is 200. Okay, just you enter. Just select the object. Automatically it will go. This is the very important. While introduction, I have told you about whenever you have 2D, you will get easily 3D. Okay. You understood what I told? Okay. Now you have 2D. From that you want to make it 3D means you just click it and just click. That's all. You have the 3D box. Yeah, 3D room. Yes. Okay. So why this command is required? Okay. Because we have the drafting like length, breadth, and geometry we can draw. Why this type of thing is required means, whenever you have irregular shapes, For that irregular shapes, you need this type of options, directly object selection. Okay. For example, I will make one irregular shape. Okay. SP line. Okay. I am just making one irregular shape. I think this SP line and all other things you have learned earlier also. Okay. This, for example, I want to make it more irregular so that you can understand very well. This is irregular geometry. You see, this is irregular geometry. Okay. This irregular geometry, how you can draw 3D solid poly? That is very difficult now. Now this 2D if you have means you can easily get the 3D. You just enter, just click on the object. Wait, it's taking time. Yes, you got it, 3D. You got 3D. This is the height of 5 meter and this is the 200 mm weight, 3D you get. If you make it by drafting means it will take time. Easily it came. How? Have seen? Yes. Okay. Now what I will do another one so that you can familiar in this one. Okay. Okay. For example, I will make it the 2D in top view. This is my I will make 5. So this is my this one. Okay. I will have elliptical one. I'm not explaining about 2D because you know about the 2D very well, so I don't want to waste time on that. So for example, I will delete all those things. Okay. This is my irregular shape, regular, but it's not a geometrical shape. This is my irregular shape. From this one I need to make the solid poly. Okay. I just select it and enter it and just select. Taking time because that shape is little bit irregular. Sorry, cannot be because it's split now. I have drawn. Okay, not an issue. So this is one of the example what we need to do. So I will do the polyline. Okay, start point this one and select arc. Polyline, just select arc, just select second point, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, now you can make it shape. Just for practicing purpose I am doing. If you do the project means you need to do it on the proper way. Okay, this is the polyline one. Okay, So now you go to the 3D window home. Okay, now you come to this one, just select it, enter it, just select. Okay, the corners are very soft, that's why it's not coming. Okay, I will do one thing. Another one we can do little bit. SP line, just line we can do it. Okay, not an issue. In top, SP line. SP line. Okay, this is just like this. Okay, for this one, just select. Or because that shape is more irregular, that's why it's not coming. Just select, it's coming. It's coming. Okay, I understood very well why it's not coming. Okay, we can do it on the ellipse. Right. Here is the ellipse. We go to this one and do yes. This ellipse is a little bit smaller. And meter. Oh, earlier, okay, I understood. Earlier why it is not coming, because that is very smaller. Okay, now this ellipse, because whatever dimension we gave, 5 meter, that is not, that object is very small, that's why it's not coming. Now you can get, okay, I think now you get. Okay, this is, you can check it in top view, this view, this view, this view. So you get. This is the way how we will make the irregular shape up in the poly. Right. I think we have gone through all the options in the POLYSOLID. Okay. Thank you.